Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Hobby Lobby haul to share, and let me show you what I picked up. I went shopping at Hobby Lobby on Monday and I walked into all sorts of goodies. I couldn't believe it. I had to leave because I would have bankrupted myself. So fall items were 75% off, can you believe? And then all the Christmas items were 60% off, which it has been for a while, but still, it was just so much going on. And then all the die cuts were on clearance. So I'm like, oh no, what do I buy? So I did pick up a few items. I picked up these candle rings and I bought 6 of these. There are 2 different kinds, and I see how this one has just the like the beige floral going on, and then there's this one too, and then this one has the beige floral plus the brown flowers. Look at that, how cute is that? So my plan was to buy this one here. You see what I mean? It was just like a bit much, and I'm like, I better get them before they're all gone. I bought 5 of these with the brown ones, and I picked up this one. So my plan was to buy 6 of these brown ones. It was just like so much going on. I'm like, oh no. So I'm quite happy with this. I plan to make a wreath with this one, and I will deconstruct this one and use it on a vine wreath. So the regular price on these were $11.99, and I paid $3 each. So I will still figure out how to work this into there. Yeah, I'll make it work. And then I also picked up these stickers here. These are fall stickers with the fall foliage. It says foil fall leaves. You get 29 of them, and the regular price was $1.99, and I paid 50 cents each. And I also picked up 6 of these. I always wanted to make sure I had enough because I love using these stickers in my planner, so it'll get used up very quickly. And then from the die cut area, I picked up this one. This is Spellbinders paper art cutting die, and it is the autumn leaves. Look at that, so cute. And you get 9 cutting dies, and this is what you get, the leaves. I've been wanting this die cut for a while now, so I finally picked it up. The regular price was $21.99, and I paid $13.19. So I'm quite happy to have this, and I will be using these along with my stickers. And then I also picked this one up. This one was in the clearance section, and it is also by Spellbinders, and this is a hot foil plate and die set. And these are the magnolia bouquet, it says, and you get 9 cutting dies, and then this is what comes in the package. So I'm quite looking forward to working with these. I really want to use the down here, the images. I really am looking forward to see how they'll turn out. I hope they will come out as pretty as what they're displaying here. So regular price was $24.99, and I paid $6.24. That was everything I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It was quite overwhelming to see all these clearances and all the percentage off sales, and Oh my goodness, that was just too much to take in. I took a quick trip and picked up the ones that I desperately wanted and then left. But I will most likely stop by maybe like Thursday or Friday. I will go back, and it'll be less of a madhouse also, and I'll be able to concentrate a little bit more. You know, I can pick up a few more items then. I took pictures of all the die cuts on sale, so I will go ahead and add that for you. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.